there. In today's video, I'm really excited to introduce you this fantastic indicator on TradingView. This indicator is all about leveraging machine learning to predict market directions. But before that, it really matters that which cryptocurrency exchange you're using. I highly recommend when you want to try any new trading strategy, you must backtest it. Or if you don't like backtesting, you can just use demo trading, which is available on Bybit. Previously, I made a video about it. I don't want to make it so long, so you can check it out and learn how to do it. But here's the kicker. I have a surprise for you. If you use my affiliate link down in the description, you have the chance winning up to $35,000 worth of USDT just by signing up, doing your KYC, and depositing at least 100 USDT and start trading on it. So what you waiting for? Maybe it's going to be your lucky day. Let's dive in and see how we can add this fantastic tool to our trading toolkit. First things first, to get this indicator on our chart, simply click on indicators and search for Ribbon Machine Learning. It's been developed by some scripter named Chart Prime, thanks to him or her, by the way. Now take a look at how it's displayed on the chart. It's in the form of a ribbon that overlays the price chart itself. What's neat is that this ribbon is actually based on a machine learning algorithm, specifically the nearest neighbor algorithm. And in case machine learning is new to you, it's essentially a branch of artificial intelligence that uses data and algorithms to mimic the way humans learn and improve predictions over time. If you want to know more about that, there's a link down in the description, and I'm going to leave it above here, which I talked previously completely about what machine learning is and different types of it, so go check it out. But here's the really interesting part. You don't have to take things at face value. If you're into nitty-gritty details and algorithms behind this indicator, you can totally check out its page on TradingView. The author has done a great job explaining all the technical aspects, and they've even made the code available if you're into that kind of thing. Now let's talk colors. The ribbon itself changes color between red and green, and these colors actually represent the direction the algorithm predicts. Red, that's downtrend, indicating prices are likely to decline. Green is an uptrend, signaling that the prices might rise. Cool, right? But hold on a second. While it's tempting to jump in every time the color changes, we've got to be mindful of false signals. They can crop up during market reversals or when the market isn't really trending. Remember those times when the ribbon turned red in the flat market? Yeah, those are false alarms. So here's the thing. Don't consider this color changing ribbon as a direct signal to enter the market. Instead, it's better used as a guide to understanding market trends. This trend following a strategy rather than a strategy based on trend reversals. Now, to add another layer of analysis, let's bring in the Andean oscillator, which I previously talked about it in my previous videos, and it's developed by Alex Gruber. This little tool uses the relationship between its red and orange lines to indicate market trends. When the red line crosses above the orange line, it's saying, hey, price might be heading down, and if the green line crosses above the orange line and stays there, it's suggesting an uptrend. When both lines chill below the orange line, the market is just kind of doing its own thing. Now here's the reality check. No indicator is foolproof. Just before the end of the video, I will be sharing with you the result of my 100 times backtesting / forward testing this strategy, so you're gonna see how awesome it is. Even though the Andean oscillator and our ribbon indicator are pretty awesome, false signals can still happen. But hey, that's part of the trading game, right? To add an extra layer of caution, here's what you need. And here's my surprise for you. Previously, I made almost an hour of video completely about proper risk management, how to do your proper position sizing, risk to reward ratio, winning ratio, whatever you need, whether you're a beginner or a pro, but you're kind of confused in between what am I supposed to do, this is probably for you. So give it a try, watch it, you will come back to me and you will thank me without any doubt. Also, if you want to increase your profit factor on the other side of the coin, beside the risk management, I highly recommend to watch this video of the mixture of Fibonacci retracement levels with supply and demand, or let's say price action, and you're going to find it crazy good with any trading strategy. It doesn't matter what trading strategy you're using, what is your indicator, what are you doing. This combination works out on any time frame, any trading strategy, and it's crazy good. I tried it out like thousands of times and it works out perfect. Before I wrap this up, remember, there's no magical 100% accurate trading signal out there. Managing risk is the key. Thanks a bunch for tuning in. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask and drop those comments. I'll be quick to respond. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell icon. That way, you'll never miss any of my new videos which I'm uploading on a daily basis. Wishing you the best of luck with your trading journey. See you in the next video.